point, what they say they're trying to do is produce organs for humans.
Which is a noble deed.
Is it? It seems creepy as mess to me.
Yeah,
Right.
but
Like, do those...
if I needed an ear.
But like, here's the
It's a liver.
here's the moral thing, the moral question. It's like, at what point does the thing become human? When does it get rights?
They're talking about they're scared.
Yeah, build all these different
They're
parts. They're
scared that it's going to have human traits when it's born. That's the whole ethics problem. Is they're like, oh yeah, this thing may be a pig walking on 2 feet.
Wait a minute. So it's not just parts.
No,
They're making things.
4 parts.
they're pushing into like pig embryos, human stem cells. There's like, here you go. And then this thing will come out. They've built stuff without like bones, like a pig without bones. So it just comes out as goop and organs. Yeah. They're doing weird stuff, man. And MIT has released research on this in 2016. They're like, oh yeah, we're doing that. So that sent me down a deeper rabbit hole.
Okay, so that sent you down the rabbit hole of thinking that maybe they accidentally made this giant ape monster thing, and it escaped the zoo.
Tried.
And it escaped the zoo. And
They tried.
It's like Man Bear Pig from South Park.
So here's the thing. I was like, okay, if they're doing this with pigs, so what they're doing is they're taking a pig embryo and they're going blep, human stem cells, and then they're putting it in livestock. They're just like, oh, okay, here, go put this in a cow. So you've got a pig, a cow, and a human just all breeding inside of this whatever.
Yeah.
So then it comes out and it's just goop of whatever it is.
Okay.
But they started in the 1920s building something they were calling a humanzee.
Stop.
No joke. A humanzee. So what they were doing is they were taking a human uterus, putting it inside of a chimp, and then artificially inseminating it with human
What?
reproductive juice.
Good job.
You like that?
Good job.
Repro juice.
Don't have to apologize to mom for that one.
Exactly. That's what it is. And trying to make a human chimpanzee mix.
What? To like make it a slave or something?
In China, they're doing it now.
Did you see there's a movie coming out?
You think pre-programming's real?
No
Because I
doubt.
do.
That's what I just popped in my head. They're trying to get us ready for this.
They've been doing it since the 20s.
Because they made the monkey dude all cool and he was singing songs. And
Yeah.
it was
Oh,
just
I know what you're talking
you
about.
seen that?
I seen the trailer.
Yeah,
Hey,
it looks stupid.
They're trying.
It looks
They're
really stupid.
doing it
If Bob
right
Dylan was a
now.
monkey.
Yeah, it looked really stupid.
They're doing it right now. So the problem they ran into is that chromosomes are not the same. They're very similar, but they're not exact.
Yeah.
But
They're trying to fill in the gaps.
they're trying to fill in the gaps. They found out that an orangutan is the closest to us.
Which has red hair.
It does have red hair, which is also
Easy.
giant.
Don't offend him.
Hey, I've got red hair. It's just something. It's the burden it's the burden that I've been given. It is what it
He's
is.
hanging over here.
He's sitting right here.
That's right. So in China right now, they're pushing it like into their brains, human stem cells into monkey brains, trying to make them more intelligent.
I did see a monkey smoke a
Did they make
cigarette.
a movie
so-
about this that just went bad?
It doesn't. It
It
never
never-
works out well.
Yeah.
So if you believe in pre-programming and what they're going to, just like in movies, they're going to show us something
Yeah.
and get us like kind of used to the idea of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
They're doing it now.
For an analogy, it's like that movie. I think it's called Pandemic. It came out. Look it up. I think it
Yeah.
came out
It's a dumb movie.
2014.
Yeah.
It is the plot of COVID. Like the plot of COVID.
That's a whole other deep state conversation that we can have.
You're talking, I know which one you're talking about. Has all
Contagion.
that- Contagion.
Contagion.
But if you believe that pre-programming is a
It
thing,
was dumb.
is dumb.
It's scary like the C-19 thing, but yeah, it was such a dumb movie. This was like a I think a pre-programmed thing.
It literally said it was bat suit.
This is deep Hollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this was the one that the monkey bit the guy.
No, this was a bat. The bat flew into the soup, and then the lady came back, and then everybody started dropping dead,
Yeah,
and they
you're
closing it out and everything.
Was she in Wuhan, China?
She was in China.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you got a cast list like Matt Damon, Jude Law, Kate Winslet, Lawrence Fishburne, Gwyneth Paltrow, some other chick I ain't ever heard of, Bryan Cranston, Elliot Gould, John
really
Hawkes.
good. That's a really good cast
That's
list.
a ditty list right there.
Deep Hollywood right there.
Yeah.
And if you telling me they're just doing this to make a buck, nah, there's some pre-programming going on with this one.
I mean, But do we think that possibly what we're seeing is these scientific experiments
Go rogue.
go
Or
rogue?
they're just doing it on purpose.
If
like,
it
push 'em out.
wasn't, I really like where you're going here, and
Yeah.
I usually go there like with you.
I'll take a weird spot here, man.
But
I
there's a
told
lot.
you.
There's a lot of ancient stuff like that
Been
ties
doing
to
it.
this.
Yeah.
So, but okay.
Why? Let's back up then.
Uh-huh.
You want to take the
We're probably
ancient
going to
stuff?
say the same thing together.
In the days of Noah,
Yep, there it is.
what were they doing to these things? They
Yep.
were messing with genetics.
Yep,
The fallen angels were what? Hybrids.
yep,
They were mixing their DNA with our DNA.
yep,
Just saying.
yep.
Just because they got a white coat on now, don't make
Yeah.
it any different.
Exactly.